美國特朗普政府試圖對俄羅斯同烏克蘭施壓，促使俄烏兩國達成和平協議。就喺協商進行之際，俄羅斯琴晚再空襲烏克蘭首都基輔。
特朗普總統夫婦今日前往羅馬，準備參加已故教宗方濟各嘅葬禮。佢行前談到俄烏問題。特朗普嘅總統特使威特克夫今日喺莫斯科會見俄羅斯總統普京，呢個係兩人第4次會面。烏克蘭指責俄羅斯琴晚對基輔發動超過100架無人機空襲，造成多人死亡。琴日特朗普先至呼籲普京停止空襲烏克蘭。特朗普話美國正係對俄羅斯施壓。佢被問到俄羅斯準備點樣讓步。俄烏談判嘅一個爭議點係克里米亞。俄羅斯喺2014年佔領克里米亞。特朗普日前接受《時代》雜誌訪問嘅時候話，克里米亞會繼續由俄羅斯控制。
They made a decision. There wasn't a bullet fired. There was no fighting. There was no anything. They just handed it over. Now they say, "Well, can you get it back?" I think that's going to be a very difficult thing to do.
俄羅斯外交部長拉夫羅夫接受訪問嘅時候談到俄烏協商。
We are really polite people, and unlike some others, we never discuss in public what is being discussed in negotiations. Otherwise, negotiations are not serious.
烏克蘭總統澤連斯基琴日重申，佢哋國家唔會承認俄羅斯佔領克里米亞，因為咁樣係違反憲法。